Thanks, Steve. Timothy Renshaw's in from Business in Vancouver. We'll talk about a couple of things this morning. First off, good morning.
Sophie, how are you doing?
Nice to see you. Starting off with, I don't even know what this means, so you're going to have to explain it to me. The Canadian Securities Administrators, the CSA, wants to make changes.
Yeah, and this is really focused at big investors in companies. And so they want to make it more clear for other investors of what big investors are doing as far as buying stock in companies, especially companies like telecoms. There was a big court battle between TELUS and a New York-based hedge fund a while ago because TELUS wanted to convert some of its stock, non-voting stock, to voting stock, which would change the kind of value of the stock. So these changes are kind of focused at requiring big investors who would buy up big blocks of stock to reveal that they're doing that, because...
What does that mean for the smaller investor?
Well, for the smaller investor, they would know what these large companies are doing, why they're buying lots of stock. They may be buying lots of stock, and it might not be within the interest of the company that they're buying the stock. They may be buying the stock to kind of make the price difference, so for their own shares rather than the actual good of the company. So that's what it's kind of based on.
Right.
So I think the more clarity in the market is what the association is looking for. So, which is a good thing.
So why are these hedge funds targeting Canadian companies?
Well, because Canadian rules are a little bit different from what they are in the U.S. So we're a little bit behind. So U.S. hedge funds can see that there's an advantage to buying up a lot of stock, and they don't have to reveal that they're doing that.
Right.
So
would that change then if the rules change?
It would.
Yeah,
It would. So that's the idea.
That's the whole idea. All right.
Better for a lot of smaller investors, and better actually for everybody to know more what's going on in the market with shares.
It makes sense now.
It does.
Thank you, Timothy.
That's why I'm here.
All right, Timothy, explain it all for us. You can get more on BIV.com, and we'll talk to you again in about an hour's time.
Good.